it tips over, which is hard to do. This little prong right here. Fan mode, a little bit of cool air. It's a good heater.
Vaulted ceilings in a castle. So I have a wood stove, see right there. But I'll tell you right now, this wood stove doesn't have a blower. So using this little guy that you perhaps might want to buy literally heats up this whole room and part of the little walkway entryway right here. I have one for each, major room, and I think I have literally 2 for the whole house. So go get a couple of them, you know what I mean? It's worth it, and it doesn't take too much electricity. But anyways, yeah, peace. These are 5 out of 5.
Here you can see I plugged it on already. I turn it on, the light still on, but it's not working. I try again, repeat many times. It died already. I don't know why. So sad, suddenly to die. It died.